Side ring, but the truest kilometer in the blood of the forgotten. Not every hero carrying a flag into battle. Many had died in the dark. Yes, today I am going to speak about the unsung heroes of the freedom struggle. Honorable guests, respected principals, teachers, and all my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. पुणे जिले का निकलेंगे, पुणे जिले का निकलेंगे. दुख के पल वो रुमाल, हमने गुलशन की कपूर की कसम खाई है. Freedom was not gifted by few famous friends. Today we gather to celebrate 18th Independence Day from the British rule, but also the world 200 years of freedom struggle for leaders. Some of them MC remember regularly in speeches, and occasions, and their contribution and are infinite. As Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Ashfaqullah Khan, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Today I am standing in front of you all to remember our ancestors too. Our history has forgotten. ना शौहरत की अर्जुना से खिलाफ की तरफ, ना शौहरत की अर्जुना से खिलाफ की तरफ, पिताजी को और दास्तान वतन को आबाद कर गए. Matanjali Azad, she was called Buri Gandhi. She also called Buri Gandhi. She was actively participated in non-cooperation movement 1920 to 1922, civil disobedience movement 1930 to 1934, and Quit India movement. Matanjali Azad was shot dead in Tamil position. Prithilata Venkatan, she was from Bengal. She led the armed attack on European in Pahadari and consumed cyanide to avoid being captured. Mir Ali Khan, he was one penalty figure in 1857 uprising from Patna. He was hanged along with his follower. Khudiram Bose, the teenager guardian, Yusuf Takhti Shah, for his role in Muzaffarpur conspiracy case, he was sentenced to death. Maulana Asad Wali, he was